Papakilala muna ako ah. Hi, I'm Daryl, MSP from Asia Pacific College. Teka. Ano yung sinasabi nyo na MSP webcast? Ano ba yan?
Dahil addict ako. Addict ka. At addict din si Martin.
No.
Addict tayong lahat sa technology.
Ganun ba yun?
Hindi tayo pwedeng tayo lang addict. Kailangan i-addict din sila.
Yeah, that's right. Kaya tayo Ignite kasi we're igniting the passion of tech students from around the world. Well, of course, those people watching this podcast. So, we'll be sharing with them yung mga latest trends natin sa technology as well as, well, insights as to what we really do here in the program. Mabuhay natin as Microsoft student partners.
Oh, so interesting. Teka, since ito na yung MSP webcast natin, ano ba yung ating first episode?
Well, since this is our first episode nga naman, so kailangan nating mag-pay ng tribute, of course. Well, to look back sa mga naging Microsoft student partners, then from before, of course, our beloved alumni, Max, and of course, our current batch of MSPs, like us, di ba?
At dahil naglo-look back ka rin naman, let's also reminisce yung mga kalokohan nating MSPs with our top
Kalokohan
10s,
talaga eh.
diba?
And dito natin malalaman din yung sa mga episodes natin, yung deep dark secrets ng ating beloved mother dear na si Miss Melly Rose.
And it's also the time of Ron Grusp's Time is Up.
Yeah, so papakita niya yung kanyang app na develop, tama ba? Alright, so
Without further ado,
Huwag na nating patagalin.
oo.
Alright, so we have MSPs then and now. Watch this.